Joining us tonight, I'm John DeLuca.
And I'm Brooke Taylor. So why is Rhode Island still stuck in phase 1 of vaccine distribution, and what can we do to move forward? Well, we are on it tonight with ABC6 News reporter Darren Botello. He has those details on our top story tonight.
I'm not too happy because I'd like to have the vaccine by now.
Judy DePerla lives in East Providence, and like tens of thousands of other Rhode Islanders, she's still waiting to get the COVID-19 vaccine. But she says she's willing to wait for emergency responders, frontline workers, teachers, and other people more at risk than her to get vaccinated first.
Because I am retired and I am at home and I have a very small pod of people I have any contact with.
The rankings keep changing, but out of 50 states, Rhode Island ranks in the mid-20s for getting the COVID-19 vaccine into arms. We contacted a local health expert today who explains that's because Rhode Island, unlike some other states, is targeting people to get vaccinated by their risk factor rather than just giving it to everyone, so that there's enough for the people who need it the most right now.
If you target everybody, you target nobody, right? We're going to give it to everybody in a targeted fashion. That doesn't make any sense. You're going to either target or you're going to give it to everybody. And we're being a little bit more deliberate in targeting.
We're also told the federal government plans to ramp up the supply of COVID-19 vaccines by next week after buying hundreds of millions more doses. Rhode Island is in phase 1, but with those doses would get closer to phase 3, which includes the general population getting vaccinated.
When you get to the everybody else phase, that's probably going to be in the summer.
DePerla says she hopes to be vaccinated by next month. She says she's willing to wait, but at 75 years old, she says she knows she's at higher risk than younger people with COVID-19.
Preferably early, but later on in February would be okay. And then a second vaccine, as I would like to make sure that I'm going to get that too.
In Providence, Darren Botello, ABC6 News.
Darren, thank you again.